Hello, I am Eser, the trainer from Bosch. We filmed today's video at an electrician job site where he performed a laying of electrical circuits to light the stairs at a house under renovation. Like in the previous clips, we proposed to the professional a kit of Bosch power tools, accessories and measuring devices to use for carrying out his job. In a nutshell, we proposed him a GWS 180 Li cordless angle grinder equipped with a diamond disc together with a GDE 115-125 EAT dust extractor connected to a GAS 18V-10L cordless vacuum cleaner for a dust-free cutting slits in wall in order to create the channel where the lighting circuit cables will be installed. For light chiseling jobs and for holes in concrete, we proposed the Neve GBH 18V-28 DC battery-powered rotary hammer equipped with the GDE 28 dust extractor. The percussion drilling in the masonry and mounting the anchors for fixing the circuit was carried out with the Neve cordless combi drill GSB 185-Li, new member of the 18V family. It's equipped with a metal chuck with a brushless motor, and it's even shorter than a combi drill from the 12V range, having of course the performance of the 18V class. The leveling part was assured by a line laser level GLL 3-80G, and to avoid drilling or cutting hidden pipes or electrical circuits in the wall, we provided the electrician the new D-Tect 200 detector. Length measurements were performed with a GLM 50-27CG rangefinder, and the power sockets for the battery charger combined with the good mood the music brings, he used the new job site radio GPB 18V5SC. Let's see the professional at work using the professional kit of Bosch tools and accessories selected for this project. The electrician we visit today will perform a laying of electrical circuits to light the stairs at a house under renovation. For this, he brought a kit of 18V battery Bosch Professional tools together with dedicated accessories and digital measuring tools. With this kit, he will carry out all the phases of this project, from tracing and checking the route of the future electrical circuit to cutting the cable duct in the wall and fixing the cables in it. Equally important, the lighting of the workplace and the sound environment required for a safe and efficient work are covered by Bosch Professional cordless tools. For marking the cutting lines on the wall, he chose GLL 3-80G, a very precise, versatile and easy to use line laser level with 3 green laser lines at 360 degrees, which has the advantage of a better visibility comparing to similar red laser levels. GLL 3-80G is a self-leveling unit allowing the user to mark paths for horizontal and vertical elements. It can also block its laser diodes pendulum, thus being able to be titled with any position to cast laser lines at any angle over long distances up to 80 meters. Once the first cutting line is set, our host checks this route with the D-Tect 200C detector to see whether it encounters hidden objects in the wall, such as pipes, electrical circuits, tubes, rebars, or others. For the execution of the cuts in the wall, the electrician chose a very convenient and handy solution, namely GWS 180 Li and 18-volt battery angle grinder, on which he equipped the dedicated dust extractor GDE 125 EA-T, connected to the cordless vacuum cleaner GAS 18V-10L. The cuts in the wall are made with the help of the best for universal diamond disc of 125 mm diameter, where it can be used the dust extractor such as GDE 125 E8-T mounted on an angle grinder is a very efficient and convenient alternative to the dedicated solution for channels execution in concrete and masonry with 2 cutting discs equipped. The dust extractor has a very low weight. It is easy to be mounted on the grinder. It has a built-in adjustment mechanism of the cutting depth up to 25 mm and a very good efficiency in retaining the dust produced during cutting. Once the cuts in the wall are made, the laying channel of the future electric circuit can be formed. With the help of the GBH 18V-28 DC cordless hammer and an SDS Plus flat chisel, the remaining material between the 2 slots is removed and the bottom of the channel is shaped. GBH 18V-28 DC is a new rotary hammer in the professional 18V range with an impact energy of 3.4 joules, which is very high for a hammer of this weight class. Even more energetic than its corded counterparts, the new hammer can execute holes in concrete up to 28 mm in diameter with dust extraction thanks to its GDE28D dedicated extractor equipped with HEPA filter. Chiseling and light breakage works or drilling without percussion in materials such as wood, metal, plastic, while equipped with the right chuck. Now that the channel in the wall is ready, the cable protection tube must be fixed inside the channel. For this, the professional uses the new 18V battery percussion drill GSB 185-LI. A compact and light power tool, even shorter and more compact than some 12V tools, but with the performance of the 18V class. Equipped with a metal chuck which gives it a plus of robustness, and last but not least, equipped with brushless electric motor with all the advantages of this type of motor, such as a much longer service life, a smaller size and weight. It is a versatile and light machine which can be used in a wide range of operations, from drilling without percussion in materials like wood, metal, plastic, ceramic tiles, percussion drilling in masonry up to 10 mm diameter, and screwing operations up to a maximum screw diameter of 10 mm. For a light machine, only 1.3 kilograms, with a 2 amperes battery mounted, it develops a maximum torque of 50 nanometers, which allows it to successfully cover most of the usual drilling and screwing operations. You surely noticed that in this clip were used both cordless tools and dust extraction solutions as well. Ease and comfort in usage, doubled by a clean, dust-free working place, have already become important criteria in the selecting process of power tools and accessories. You can follow us on our social media accounts for many other information and interesting clips with Bosch Professional power tools. All the best!